What's up, guys? That's my '08 R1 with 14,000 miles. It's got a little rattle in it. I took off the side cover to hear a little bit more. It kind of sounds like it's more towards the front of the valve train, like towards the exhaust. I'm not too sure what it is, but let's go ahead and let's have a listen real quick. Here, I'll get on this side. So yeah, it definitely sounds like it's on top of the engine. This sounds more valves made in between the gas tank. It's not a cam chain tensioner. I installed a manual cam chain tensioner. See if you can see it right there. It's not a valve adjustment. I had another guy do a valve adjustment for me. And I don't really know what it is. Does it sound like it's a loose rocker arm or a bent valve? I looked down into the stems, and I'll make another video showing that they all look okay. I haven't really tore into the head. The guy who did it before me said everything looks good, except he said that sound I was hearing was my breathers. I don't think it's the breathers. Just give me your thought, and if somebody could help me out, that'd be great.